Welcome. I'm Cassidy Cash. This is That Shakespeare Life, and today we're going to explore how people washed their clothes for Shakespeare's lifetime. So, before the invention of washing machines or laundromats, how did people in Shakespeare's England get their clothes clean? Well, it turns out that doing your laundry in Shakespeare's lifetime was extremely hard work. Clothes had to be soaked in lye, which is a strong alkaline made from wood ash, and then scrubbed on wooden washboards. Most households would wash their clothes only a few times a year because of how hard it was to do this. That's right, people wore linen underclothes to soak up their sweat, and this kept their outer garments clean, and they would change out their underlayers much more frequently than they would ever wash their outer clothings. Fullers or professional laundry workers were also helping to clean heavy wool garments. They would trample them in vats of water that had been mixed with urine. Yes, I did say urine. The ammonia content in urine actually did help clean it, but you can imagine it didn't do much for the smell. But that's how they cleaned larger garments. Things like bed sheets, there are some paintings that show how laundry day would have been handled. They wash the bed sheets and then actually lay them out on large swaths of grass, out on huge pieces of lawn, and the sunshine actually bleached the clothing. So these were the ways that they got their clothes clean. If you'd like to explore more fun facts about laundry in Shakespeare's lifetime, as you might expect, we have a podcast episode about that. I'll place a link to that episode right below this video. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new about the Bard. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.